How much should pop-up drink stands budget for grand openings? A good rule of thumb is to set aside somewhere between $500 and $1,500 for your grand opening, depending on how big of a splash you want to make and what kind of foot traffic your location gets. Think of your grand opening budget like a pizza that you have to slice up into different pieces, because it is not just about buying cups and straws. You need money for signage so people driving by actually notice you exist, and a simple banner or sandwich board can run you around $50 to $150. You also want a little bit of cash for free samples, because giving away tiny cups of your best drink gets people talking and coming back with friends. Something a lot of new owners do not think about is setting aside money for a permit or a temporary event license. Since some cities charge extra fees just for opening day promotions or for having a tent or table outside your usual spot. Another sneaky cost is ice and extra ingredients, because grand openings almost always sell more than a normal day, and running out of stock on day one makes a terrible first impression. A neat trick some successful stands use is spending a small chunk of that budget, maybe $50, on a simple social media post or a local flyer drop the week before, since word of mouth online can bring in way more people than the day of signage alone. One big thing to watch out for is overspending on decorations and forgetting to leave a cushion for unexpected costs. So try to keep about 20% of your total budget in reserve, just in case something breaks or runs out. Another key point is staffing, because if you are slammed with customers and only have one person working, you will lose sales and make people frustrated. So budget for at least one extra helper for the first weekend, even if it costs you an extra $100 or so. Lastly, do not forget about payment processing fees, since card readers often take a small percentage of every sale, and that can quietly eat into your profits if you did not plan for it ahead of time. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.